Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use sketch pen eyeliner. First, select a good quality sketch pen eyeliner that glides on easily. Make sure your eyelids are clean and dry before you begin. For a subtle look, draw tiny, connected dashes right along your upper lash line. This method helps build up the line gradually, giving you more control and a precise finish. It's perfect for everyday wear. Ready to try a winged look? Begin by drawing a small, thin line extending from your lower lash line, aiming towards the end of your eyebrow. Next, connect the tip of this wing back to the middle of your upper lash line, forming a triangle. Carefully fill in any empty spaces within the outline to achieve a smooth, solid wing. Practice makes perfect, so don't worry if it takes a few tries to get it just right. Even pros make mistakes, and that's okay. For minor corrections, dip a cotton swab in micellar water and gently clean up any smudges or uneven lines. To ensure your eyeliner stays put all day, lightly mist your face with a setting spray. Finally, complete your stunning eye makeup by applying a few coats of your favorite mascara. This will truly make your eyes pop and enhance the overall effect. To keep your sketch pen eyeliner in top condition, always store it horizontally. This helps prevent the tip from drying out and ensures a consistent flow of product. Remember to cap your eyeliner tightly immediately after every use to maintain its freshness and extend its lifespan. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.